If you've not noticed, I have had an upgrade. And Matthew. Mr. Lover, lover. What did Daddy do? Huh? What did Daddy do? I'm no longer a girlfriend, I am now a fiance. Trust it to be on a day when I've got dodgy fake tan and I've got fake tan under my nails and they look yellow and... Can you beat it? We were going to do it on Valentine's Day, but is working. What? It's working Tuesday night today. And they were actually cute. And gone just like Babby. Sat on my mother-in-law's sofa with Babby asleep on my knee. And we wouldn't want it any other way, would we, darling?